One of the fastest and most cost-effective ways to improve the look of your golf cart is by installing an UltraClear windshield from DoorWorks. Over time, your factory windshield will scratch, crack, and become discolored. The DoorWorks UltraClear golf cart windshield is made of durable shatter and crack resistant acrylic that gives a clear, glass-like appearance and is available for Yamaha, E-Z-GO, and club car golf carts. Simply remove your factory windshield by taking out the bolts. The bolt sizes will vary by cart type and model year, so consult your installation guide. You can then secure your UltraClear windshield in place with the included hardware. Snug up the bolts and enjoy this simple upgrade. Thanks for watching.